Hi y'all, today we are going to be making some PB&J burgers. For this, we got some hamburger, obviously. We got some hamburger buns. You can use whatever you like. I'm using Hawaiian, because why not? We got some Munster cheese. I would think you could also use like a provolone or a Swiss, but I'm going with Munster. We have some peanut butter powder. If you don't want real peanut butter, go ahead and get the dehydrated stuff in the powdered form. And we're going to use it just like a seasoning. We got some strawberry jelly, we got some Worcestershire sauce, and we got some ketchup. But before we get to cooking, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start by making our barbecue sauce. For this, we're going to take half a cup of ketchup. We're going to take 1 cup of our strawberry jelly. Then we're going to take 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now on a medium heat, medium high-ish heat, we're going to go ahead, get this well combined. Maybe give it a little taste. After giving that a quick taste, I'm going to go ahead and add in about another half a cup of strawberry jelly. So we're up to 1.5 cups of jelly. So in the end, we wound up with 1.5 cups of our strawberry jelly, half a cup of ketchup, and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now we're just going to go ahead and bring this up to a quick simmer. But while that's coming up to a simmer, let's go ahead and start preparing our burgers. Alright y'all, so while we got our barbecue sauce going on a low simmer, we're going to take 2.5 pounds of ground beef and 2/3 of a cup of our peanut butter powder. Now we're going to go ahead and work this all together. Alright y'all, now we're just going to start shaping this into some patties. Alright, now that we got our patties made, you can cook these however you would like. I'm going to be honest, I'm going to cook mine on a stove just because that is a lot easier than barbecuing them when I'm recording videos. So that's the reason I'm not going to throw mine on the barbecue. So let's start cooking these bad boys up. Alright y'all, so I've gone ahead, I let that barbecue sauce simmer for a few minutes, then took it, removed it from heat. I'm going to start heating up my skillet on a medium-high heat because I would like to get a good quality sear on these burgers when they go down. Alright, and then we're going to take our burgers, put them down. Now we're going to cook these for 4 to 6 minutes, flip them, cook them for another 4 to 6 minutes. It really depends on how thick your burgers are and also how done you want them. As long as they come up to an internal temperature of 160, you're good. But it depends on how well you want your burgers done and then how thick they are as well. So like we said, 4 to 6 minutes on each side. Flip them over. Another 4 to 6 minutes. But in about 3 minutes, we're going to do something really cool. Alright y'all, so for the last minute or two of the cooking process, we're going to go ahead, take our cheese. Munster will melt really fast, unlike Swiss and provolone, might take a little longer. Take just a splash of water, cover it, that steam will melt that cheese. Just like that, we got done burgers. So go ahead, take a burger. I've gone ahead and toasted my bun. Bottom bun. Take a little bit of our barbecue sauce. Right over the top. Alright, y'all, there we have it, a PB&J burger. Go ahead, serve this with your favorite side dish, and enjoy. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch, and until next time, keep on cooking on.